Hi guys, how to hard reset your locked iPhone. First thing you can hard reset. First thing, volume up down and switch off the phone and when the battery is not open. Battery is open but not open. And second thing is iPhone is very hardly not reset, but you can choose your setting option to iPhone and you can screen unlock. And first thing you can go into browser your iPhone and searching via ROM and choose the setting option via ROM. And second thing is very hardly, so first thing you can reset option and you can choose this option and you can go to reset option and unlock your iPhone quickly. So this is the perfect example. Your iPhone to reset here anywhere, anytime to hard reset, and you can say something iPhone related. So do comment on below and subscribe this channel. And nothing is impossible, but possible is impossible, not possible, but possible is impossible, not. So thank you, but I think not very well, but thank you so much. Subscribe.